So as we already discussed that the weight or electrochemical corrosion, it is of two types, concentration cell corrosion and the galvanic corrosion. The same thing is also here, that the mechanism of weight or electrochemical corrosion, it is again of two types, that either there is a evolution of hydrogen takes place or there is a absorption of oxygen takes place. This thing is depend on what kind of atmospheric situation is there that convert or responsible for the types of mechanism. So we are going to discuss the evolution of hydrogen, how the hydrogen is evolved when the process of corrosion takes place by the weight or electrochemical weight. Here in that case, just treat this portion as a metal, and above the metal is a one portion one thing is there, and that thing covers the metal surface. Okay, now just assume that metal surface, it is in contact with the electrolytic solution. Okay, so what happened? Not complete metal surface it is in contact with the electrolytic solution. Here the most of the metal surface it is in contact with it, but the small portion which is covered by the one another thing, that only portion it is not in contact with the electrolytic portion. So here the same metal having the different atmospheric situation, and in that case the part of metal which is protected over here, it acts as cathode, and the part of metal which is in direct contact with the electrolytic solution, it acts as anode. Now here, what the situation? First part, anode large and cathode small in size. It is the very first part situation. In that case, anode large and the cathode small in size, and the one of the most important thing which is responsible for the evolution of hydrogen is that electrolytic solution must be free from dissolved oxygen. It's a very important condition. Because of that, because of that electrolytic solution which is totally free from the dissolved oxygen, there is evolution of hydrogen takes place. Now, reactions. First of all, metal which undergoes the process of oxidation, it loses its metal ion with the loss of electron, and that process called as oxidation. But now the evolution of hydrogen, it takes place at the cathode. As we already discussed, the portion of metal which undergoes the process of oxidation, it acts as an anode. Now what's happened at cathode? Just consider that if this electrolytic solution, it is acidic in nature. Okay, so first part. Here the solution it is in acidic in nature. Then what's happened? Which solution we said it is acidic in nature? The solution which contain hydrogen ion. So just it is a water and it contains hydrogen ion, and that 2 electron which comes from the metal. What happened? It produces hydroxyl ion. Here the gain of electrons means the process of reduction, and it takes place at cathode. Here we see that at cathode hydrogen ions are absorbed.